Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Bogor Botanical Gardens. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salva Tarisa Wahyudinata. You can call me Salva. And I'm your guide today. How are you guys?
I'm fine.
Are you excited about seeing the Bogor Botanical Gardens today?
Yes, I'm so excited for today.
Yep, I will show you some interesting place in Bogor Botanical Gardens. Have you been here before?
I've never been to Bogor Botanical Garden.
If you have any problems or requests or question, don't hesitate to ask me. So, on that way, I hope you will get useful information from some things that I will offer you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please follow me. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of the most complete botanical gardens in the world. As you can see in front of you, there is a very beautiful archway of architecture. Before we enter, please pay attention to luggage so as not to be left behind. We will board the Warawiri bus to surround the Bogor Botanical Gardens, which it covers an area of 87 hectares. In the first place, we visit the Zoology Museum. The museum and its laboratory was founded on 1894 by government of Dutch East Indies during the colonial era. It contains one of the largest collections to preserved fauna specimen in Southeast Asia. This place has a special attraction for those who love animals, because here you can learn about more about fauna. The rare animals more interesting to watch in this place. There are also some common animals that are preserved, such as birds, crabs, insects, and fish. At present, collection of attraction in Bogor area are approximately 20,000 species of fauna. Summarized in this area, please get off the bus and enjoy ancient animal skeletons. While on the way to the next place in Bogor Botanical Gardens, I will tell you about the background of the Bogor Botanical. Increase your knowledge. The area that is now Bogor Botanical Gardens was part of Samida, or man-made forest, that was established at least around the area when Sri Baduga Maharaja ruled the Sunda Kingdom, as written in the Batu Tulis inscription. The forest was created to protect seeds of rare trees. The next stop is Lady Raffles Monument. As you can see on your left, there is a white monument called Lady Raffles, or commonly called the Monument of Love. Is it not the love story will always attract human attention? A love story on television alone can make the audience feel blue, especially this place. Here is stored the feeling of the great human from England, a powerful general who has won many wars. It's just that when you see pottery on the inscription contained in this enclosed building, you will surely feel touched. Your heart will melt. You will feel like seeing the shadow of a pair of people who are so fond of both that separates them. From the Lady Raffles Monument, we walk straight, and we can see a lake called a Gunting Lake. Beside the beautiful scenery, here there are also many horror stories circulating, like being on a horror program on television. Let's walk a little in the direction where you can see the tower from Bogor Palace. Then in front of you will see a pink world. The distribution of Nymphaea alba, and rubra, aka a lotus, will make the eye unable to turn because of the beauty of the flower. The next place is Mexican Garden. It turns out in Bogor Botanical Garden has a small dessert tablets. The difference with other parts of the Bogor Botanical Gardens that look lush and green. The Mexican part looks red, and apparently it was deliberately made this way. Being the Garden of Mexico will bring you to feel a little barren atmosphere of the desert. Take it easy, even though it is hotter than a rest, Mexico Park is not 100% desert. The breeze from the surrounding still made the surrounding air. Then, on your right, there is a resto called a Green Garden. The resto offers a very tasty menu and has a very beautiful garden view with a fountain in the middle of the making view at this restaurant very interesting. This restaurant is also frequented by Jokowi to meet his guests. Besides in the palace, the President Obama was also in this place with President Jokowi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we have already seen some interesting place in the Bogor Botanical Garden. So we will move to the new destination that has other interesting place. And you will be accompanied by Miss Dinda as your next guide. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. I hope you will enjoy our tour of Bogor Botanical Gardens. Don't forget to tell your family and friends how interesting the Bogor Botanical Gardens are. Once again, thank you for visiting the Bogor Botanical Garden. See you on your next visit and God bless you all. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.